Hey guys, I needed a new zero clearance table saw insert, so we recorded the process of me making one. For this I'm using a 3/8 inch piece of maple, measured the old insert, and then cut the maple to that width. Once finished, I traced out the insert onto the piece of maple. I also mark out where the screw holes are because I'm going to need to shape those with the router later. From here, it's a quick trip over to the bandsaw for the rough shaping. The insert was just a bit bigger than the one for the table saw, so I used the palm sander to shape it down to size. Afterwards, I used the holes I traced out to drill out shallow holes with the Frostner bit, so I knew where to cut out with the router later. Here, I used the table saw insert to set the depth of the straight cutting router bit. Then I used the holes that I drilled with the Frostner bit as a guide, so I knew where to cut out with the straight cutting bit. And the test fit into the table saw. Here it didn't quite fit. I needed to go back to the router and cut out a little bit more. That bottom corner there. Another test fit, all good. I put the fence as close to zero as I could without hitting the blade. Raised the blade very slowly up through the table saw insert, then used the Frostner bit to drill out a finger hole so I can put the insert in and out of the table saw. As you can see, the finished product.